Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to present a thought for the day. Today's thought is, destiny is not a thing to be waited for. It is a thing to be achieved. I repeat my thought. Destiny is not a thing to be waited for. It is a thing to be achieved. It means when we want to achieve something, then there is no meaning of waiting for, and one should try to achieve it as soon as possible. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. And for more education and fun videos, please subscribe to my channel.